Morning YouTubers, another update on the Isotronics. Wow, after sanding the hell out of them, 2 undercoats, 2 overcoats, they're looking pretty special. So this is, I finished one of them, stuck the original label, come on focus, original label on the back, put proper speaker connectors on them. Just put cheap ones on just for the minute. If they sound amazing I might upgrade them to more expensive ones. Yes, this is the replacement back, so sounds bloody nice now. I'll just put some white felt feet on the bottom, and I've painted the bottom as well so no moisture can get in. And I thought I'll show you the other one I'm working on. I've done some internal work. So I've removed the original wire that went to the crossovers because it was quite thin gauge and 30 years old. So I've wired that directly onto the crossover board. So got really nice thick gauge cable. So yeah, everything's looking quite tidy now. Well, next step will be some critical listening to see whether they're worth keeping. I'll catch you later.